The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S will be launching on March 27th. Even though multiple leaks have revealed the specifications of the Mi Mix 2S, there is still no concrete information available on the design of the phone. Today, a leaked photo of the alleged smartphone has appeared on Weibo. The image shows the handset sitting beside the Mi Mix 2. The leaked image only showcases the rear side of the phone. It reveals that the handset features a vertically stacked dual camera setup like the iPhone X. An LED flash can be seen sitting between the two camera sensors. Also, the back panel is equipped with a fingerprint sensor. Since it has a glossy appeal, it seems to be sporting a ceramic body like the Mi Mix 2. A leaked image showing the front side of the phone had appeared in the last week. It revealed that the front of the phone is mainly occupied by the display. It also suggested that the handset will be arriving with in-display fingerprint scanner. Another report has also claimed that Xiaomi is working on introducing the new fingerprint scanning technology. If the Mi Mix 2S is really arriving with it, it is likely that the new image showing its rear view could belong to one of the design prototypes of the Mi Mix 2S. None of the images of the Mi Mix 2S that have surfaced seem to be trustworthy. Since the launch event of the smartphone is 3 weeks ago, more leaks showing the actual device may appear in the near future. Rumors have it that the Mi Mix 2S has a 6.01-inch OLED display and it is driven by Snapdragon 845 chipset and up to 8 GB of RAM. It may arrive with up to 256 GB storage. The Sony IMX363 lens could be one of the dual camera sensors. It is expected to arrive with 3,400 mAh battery. What do you think about the above image? Is it fake or real? Share us your views by posting your comments below.